Well, hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I am Marty and today I am going to be reviewing and unboxing for you the 2023 membership gift if you become a D23 Gold member. Now, I have been a member of D23 since the beginning, which I think was 2009. And I gotta say, I think this is going to be the coolest membership gift yet. For those of you that are not aware, D23 is the official Disney fan club. It is a paid membership. There is a free version that you can get. It is completely free. You can go to d23.com, and the free version, you have access to that website where you can see articles online. But there is a gold version, which is a paid membership, and that comes with 4 quarterly subscriptions to the magazine 23. It's a huge multicolored magazine publication that comes out every quarter. It is awesome. I love it, and I have collected every single one since 2000 and 2009. And every time you renew your membership, every year, there is a gift that is included in your membership. And I haven't seen what this one is yet. I know what it is, but I haven't seen what it looks like. So I am going to take you through what it is, what I think about it, and the unboxing of it right now. So it is packaged in a brown box, very thick cardboard. So if it's dropped or anything like that, it is not going to get hurt. When you open up the box, you'll have this protective white piece of cardboard here. And then you have this that you are greeted with. Upon opening it up, ta-da, you will see your membership card. This year is a little bit different than all of the other years because this is the 100-year anniversary of the Walt Disney Company. It was established in 1923, and being that this is D23, the official Disney fan club, it's kind of a special year for them. So even though you're a gold member, gold membership in this case, the 100-year color scheme is silver and black. So with this year's card, you get to pick out your design. I think there are 3 different designs that you can go with. I decided to go with the classic Disney character design. And there is a Star Wars design card with Star Wars character, and the other design is Pixar. So it has a bunch of Pixar characters on there. On the back of the card, it'll have your name and your membership number, but that is what the card looks like. And I like that it's so cute that, little Mickey Mouse ears. And then you will have your welcome letter, okay? It basically says, it's my pleasure to welcome you back as a member. You chose the perfect time to be a part of the D23 family, yada, yada, yada. Talks a little bit about the company's 100-year anniversary. And it is signed Michael Varro, the head of D23. It's a nice little welcome letter. Just on thicker paper. Now, when you join D23 for the very first time, you will get a certificate welcoming you into the D23 official fan club. The one and only time I ever got a certificate was when I initially joined D23 back in 2009. Every year I renewed, I got the membership gift, but I didn't get a certificate because it was just a renewal. For some reason, something happened with my membership this year where it was canceled, so I had to reinitiate it again. So this year, I actually got a new certificate, which I'm not complaining about because this year is the 100-year anniversary. So you'll never get another 100-year anniversary certificate. And this is what it looks like. D23 welcomes myself to the official Disney Fan Club. Sorry, I'm reading backwards in the camera. Gold member, and it has the Disney 100 on it. It is signed by our CEO of the Walt Disney Company, Bob Iger, and of course, the real man, Mickey Mouse. That's what it looks like. My original one, it's actually framed. I framed it because D23 actually made a frame for the initial certificates, and it's a gold frame and it has like Mickey Mouses in it, and it's pretty cool. Kind of a nice little keepsake. So I may have to put this in something cool. All right. Then you are given this little certificate of authenticity, and I'll read it to you. It says D23, the official Disney Fan Club, Certificate of Authenticity. Mickey Mouse, leader of the club, milestone statue. So you know what we're going to be opening, the milestone statue. Starting with a small cartoon studio in 1923, Walt Disney's dream has grown into a rich legacy of the world's most inspiring stories, places, and fans over the past century that we now call the Walt Disney Company. To celebrate this momentous milestone, D23, the official Disney fan club, has partnered with artist James Fauntleroy. I probably totally butchered that name, and if you're watching this, I apologize. And Gentle Giant Studios to create this milestone statue to pay tribute to Disney's rich legacy and unmatched creativity and inspire the next century of storytellers. Nicely said. All right, let's get to the real reason why you clicked on this video, which I hope you did because you like my content. And if you do like my content, give it a big thumbs up. All right, this is the huge box that it comes in. As you can see, it says D23, the official Disney fan club, Mickey Mouse, leader of the club, milestone statue. We have this on the side, gold member collector set. And on the sides and on the back, we have Moana there and Stitch. I see some main characters. I see some Pixar here with Woody. And you also have some Star Wars characters. So no matter what card you pick, you'll get this box. All right, the moment. Here we go. Open it up, and this is magnetic. So that's kind of nice. We have Disney 100. And we have this nice protective, what do you call this stuff? And wow. There Mickey Mouse is. That looks very, very cool. Let's take it out, shall we? All right. So it's very well protected in this foam. That's the word I was looking for, foam. Okay. Put that down, and I would definitely recommend keeping this because, as you can see, it is perfectly meant to store Mickey Mouse in. Put this aside. And this is what he looks like. All right. So it's not light, but it's not heavy. I would say maybe 2 pounds. Okay. The base does feel like it is maybe some metal on the inside. The exterior is clearly plastic. Okay. Mickey Mouse himself is also plastic. So it's plastic. It's plastic, but I mean, for an included gift in your membership, which is about $120-ish. I mean, you're not gonna get like a pure, silver statue of Mickey Mouse. It would be a lot more than that. But yeah, this is pretty nice. Not bad for plastic, right? And he's in his nice silver attire here. Let's see here, it says D23. See, I can't read backwards. The official Disney fan club. We'll turn Mickey Mouse around. And on the back of his jacket, which is kind of like, I don't know if you can see it, it's kind of like flowing in the wind. You know, it's kind of poofed out there. And he has Disney 100 on the back of his jacket. And on the front of his jacket, it looks like he has a couple characters right in there. You can see it right there. And to me, it looks like we have three symbols. One is Eve from WALL-E. The other one is clearly Black Panther. And the round one is going to be the symbol of the resistance from Star Wars. Yes, that's what it is. So those are the three symbols that Mickey has on his jacket. He has his traditional shoes. Trying to see, I think that is pretty much it for the details on Mickey Mouse. Very nice. You can display it. As you can see behind me, I have tons of Disney merch all over the place. Yeah, this is really cool. I'm pretty pleased with this. Prior years, I've gotten pin sets as the membership gift. There was a few years where they had a bunch of replica items from back in the early days of the Walt Disney Studios back in the 50s and 40s. Pretty cool stuff there. But let me know what you guys think of this little statue. Like I said, it's plastic. The base has some metal in it to give it a little bit of weight, but I'm pretty pleased with it. And yeah, this video is not sponsored by D23 in any way. You know, I've just been a member for a very long time, and I personally think that, you know, I get my money's worth with the membership. The membership does come with some discounts if you go to Downtown Disney or Disney Springs, depending upon which coast you live on. And there's a lot of really cool stuff you can get just with the free membership. You can go to d23.com, and again, you can get the free membership, and it gives you full access to the website and articles, a lot of the videos that come out, and you can get a lot of that also on YouTube. Speaking of YouTube, again, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, I would be so honored if you could subscribe to the channel, click the bell notification icon so you don't miss any future uploads. I upload stuff all the time, trips all over the world, mostly to Disney, but we got a trip coming up to Disney's Aulani coming up soon. And of course, you know, Disney World is always fun. I do merchandise reviews, and it's all about fun here. And I do fun stuff all over California, and I just love to take you guys with me. Most importantly, besides subscribing, I would be, again, so honored if you could share this video so we can grow the channel. I love doing this stuff. I love doing it for you guys. I love sharing all things Disney, travel, and adventure. So I would love for you to be a part of the channel's family. And tell me what you guys think about this. Are you a part of the D23 Disney's official fan club? Do you have any questions about it? Let me know in the comments down below. What do you think about this year's membership gift versus the past membership gifts? I'd love to know. So until next time, take care of yourselves. And of course, each other. Peace.